morning, everybody. Welcome to Performance Unlimited. Hey, again, another example of one of our engines. This one happens to be one of our 408 Windsor Strokers. This one just got done making about 580 something horsepower, about 560 something 70 foot-pounds of torque. If you're interested in this build, you can go to our website and check it out. But this one's got a dark block, AFR heads, all good pieces in the motor, and it's got the Holley EFI system on here. Again, each and every one of our engines are custom built to order. So when you order it, it's your wire color, it's your block color, set it up the way you want, leave the building to us. Thank you. Peace and God bless. Down to the next item.